The Jar of Hours, a short motivational story. In a busy city, there lived a young man named Armin. He had big dreams. He wanted success. He wanted to support his parents. He wanted a better life. But Armin had one big problem. He always wasted time. Every morning, he woke up late, scrolled his phone, watched random videos, and said, "I will start my real work tomorrow." Tomorrow, tomorrow, always tomorrow. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. His dreams stayed only dreams. One evening, Armin was sitting alone in a park, feeling sad and confused. "Why is my life not changing?" he thought. At that moment, an old man with kind eyes sat beside him. In his hands, he held a glass jar with a few white marbles inside. The old man smiled and asked, "Son, why do you look so worried?" Armin replied, "My life is stuck. I want success, but nothing is happening." The old man said gently, "Maybe life is not the problem. Maybe you are not using your time." He lifted the glass jar. "Do you see this jar? I call it the Jar of Hours." He picked up one marble. "Every day when you wake up, you receive 24 hours. You cannot see them, but they are there. Just like these marbles." Then he opened his hand and let one marble fall to the ground. Tack. The sound was small, but it touched Armin's heart. "This is 1 hour," he said. "When it falls, you can never get it back." He dropped another marble. Tack. "This is another hour. You waste it by scrolling, overthinking, doing nothing, and saying, 'I will start tomorrow.'" Armin watched the marbles roll away into the grass. Gone forever. The old man shook the jar. Only a few marbles were left. "I am old now," he said softly. "My jar of life is almost empty. When I was young, I also said, later, tomorrow, next year. But tomorrow is dangerous. It quietly steals your today, and then your whole life." He placed the jar in Armin's hands. "Close your eyes," he said. Armin closed his eyes. "Imagine," the old man whispered, "that today is your second chance. Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. You only have this one day. What will you do with its 24 hours? Armin saw himself studying, working, learning, helping his parents, becoming stronger and better. He opened his eyes. They were wet. "I understand now," Armin said. "I am the one throwing my hours away." The old man smiled. "Yes, people think time is money, but they are wrong. You can lose money and earn it again, but once time is gone, it never returns. Successful people are not always more intelligent. They just respect their hours." Then the old man slowly walked away. The next morning, Armin's alarm rang at 5:30 a.m. His old habit whispered, "Sleep more, start tomorrow." But he remembered the sound of the marble. Tack. Armin sat up and said, "No, I will start today." He studied. He worked on his skills. He planned his day. He gave time to his health, his family, his dreams. Hour by hour, his life began to change. Outro or moral for your video. Your life is a jar. Every day, you receive 24 precious marbles called hours. You can waste them or invest them. Success is not magic.
It is the result of using your time wisely. Don't wait for tomorrow. Your change starts today.